In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transcribe content using the Evernote app. This feature is perfect for students, professionals, or anyone who wants to stay organized and turn spoken ideas or handwritten notes into searchable text with very little effort. Let's jump right in and walk through the process from start to finish. Begin by opening the Evernote app on your device. You can work from an existing note or create a brand new one if you're starting fresh. Think of this note as your main workspace. Everything you add, whether it's an audio clip, an image, or a video, will live here, so it's easy to manage and review. Evernote's layout is straightforward, so navigating between notes and tools should feel intuitive. Now add the content you want transcribed. Select Insert, then choose Attachments to upload a file. You can add images, audio files, recorded audio, or even video files. If you prefer a quicker workflow, simply drag and drop the file right into the note area on desktop. Keep your files clearly labeled so you can tell at a glance what each one contains. If you want to record audio on the spot, Evernote supports live recording. Choose Insert, then Audio Recording, and start speaking. When you're finished, click Stop, and the recording is saved directly into your note. For the best results, record in a quiet space and speak clearly. This helps the transcription come out more accurate. Once your file is in the note, it's time to convert it into text. On desktop, hover over the attachment, or if you just finished recording, wait a moment. You'll see a Transcribe button appear. Click or tap that button, and Evernote will begin transcribing automatically. Longer files may take a bit of time, so let the app process in the background. Evernote can transcribe spoken words, handwritten text and images, and typed content with impressive accuracy. When the process is complete, the editable text appears right below the original attachment. From there, you can skim, correct any names or technical terms, and format the text however you like. The best part is that the text becomes searchable, which makes it easy to find key moments later. Using transcription turns lectures, meetings, and brainstorming sessions into actionable, searchable notes. It's a smart way to boost productivity and get more value out of everything you capture. And that's it. That's how to transcribe in Evernote. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss a new upload.